Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment Ask Me and I'll try to answer. The informations of this video are from Google search. Our topic for today is how do I check whether my videos are filtered through YouTube's restricted mode. To check, you can turn on restricted mode and search to see if your video appears. You can also go directly to the video's URL to see whether it's viewable or not. Please note, at times, videos are not available in restricted mode upon initial upload, as YouTube system reviews them. Please allow some time before checking for availability. Not all audience can see your videos if you turn on your restricted mode. This is where I got the reference of this video from Google search. My sincere thanks and massive appreciation to all my channel members. They are Rucho, Bert Lambojo, Mirasol Idlon TV, and Mutiatil. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.